Every day, I reveal exclusive, insider-only product intel. Subscribe to effortlessly make your hard-earned money count. You might assume a fragrance-free cream can't deliver a spa-like glow, yet this La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair feels almost indulgent, instantly calming tightness because the ceramide niacinamide duo wraps each pore in a protective seal. A few pats in the morning leave the skin supple, and by afternoon the moisture still lingers, outlasting many heavyweight counterparts that dry out by lunch. Those with eczema-prone or reactive complexions report barely any redness, even after a rigorous skincare routine, thanks to the hypoallergenic formula that respects the skin barrier. Housed in a sleek tube of 3.4 fluid ounces, roughly 100 milliliters, it dispenses just enough to coat without waste. Verdict: perfect for anyone chasing reliable comfort without scent, especially sensitive skin enthusiasts who demand lasting hydration.